Welcome back to my online academy. Now it's time for a new sword episode. I think last time we were practicing holding the moon. So now I will show you a new movement. The left hand stays at the place, the right hand moves. It's a yin-yang separation. Then the gravity center of the sword stays at the place. You shift the hand around the gravity center. Come forward with your upper body and bring the tip of the blade in a circular motion under your sword arm. Okay, I will show you this one more time in front of you. So coming here, 1, 2, 3, and finish. Okay. So after we coming here from holding the moon, we go up, sword hand go down, but finger look up and sword tip look down. That up, turn upper body, look backward, and bring now the tip of the blade along with the step back, 45 up and look upward. The sword hand point to the sword direction. Now I will do the movement slowly. If you have a sword in your hand, try to follow me closely. So. Breathe out when you do this movement. Up. Look back. Point sword up. Go shubo left leg. And stop here. Okay? So I will show you the whole section one more time from the other side. So okay. For the breathing, now I will explain the breathing. So, breathe in, open. Yeah, you open here. You breathe in. Go in, breathe out. Breathe in. Swing through, breathe out. Breathe in, fall down. And breathe out, 虚步. Okay? So now a new movement from 虚步. We step 90 degrees with left leg. The sword hand stays place, upper body turn. Come here. And we go tan ti. Then step forward. Step forward. Direction of the sword that doesn't change. Step gombu. And finish here. Okay, so one more time. We're coming from left-handed, left-legged 虚步. Open. Tan ti. Step forward. Come forward. Gombu. And we finish here. Let's do the whole section one more time before we finish this episode. So. Alright, that's it for today. See you tomorrow for another episode. Stay with me and see you next time. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.